Hi, my name is Lito. I'm a parent makeup artist and trainer of International Academy S. In this video, I will answer on your question, what to do with white hair after laser removal? Or what to do with gray hair on the eyebrows? Or if you have old, gray or cold pigment on your eyebrows after parent makeup. There are two ways what you can do in these situations. First of all, you can shadow your eyebrows with brown shadow and it will cover your hair on the eyebrows. Color the eyebrows with a brush with brown shadow to paint over light, white, gray hairs on the eyebrows, or cover the old, cold eyebrows tattoo or parent makeup. It means paint over grayish or bluish eyebrows with warm red-brown shadows. And second one, you can tint your eyebrows with henna. Let me show for you. Here I am showing the complete eyebrows tinting process. First, carefully wipe off your eyebrows with a cotton pad. Next, sketch the design of your eyebrows, make some dots of the shape, or you can draw the full shape with a white pencil. We begin to tint the eyebrows frame with color or henna. Try to work carefully, not go out of the shape. We improve the eyebrows, expand the shape, draw dark and light zones. Remove some colors with special liquids or micellar water. improve the shape, add tails and make gradient. For example, I have used a dark brown tint. You can use medium brown or light brown. I'm showing for you cap for color, and I was using different types of the brushes and special paint remover and micellar water at the end of the procedure. We are waiting 10 minutes until color will be dry and wipe off the eyebrows with a cotton pad and micellar water. Our eyebrows are ready. Hope this video was helpful for you. Thanks for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram. See you soon. Bye bye.